Right, me and Tommy got some pancakes.
Smells good.
It does smell good. So,
The pancakes smell good.
they're pancakes. You guys, I know some people call them crepes. No, pancakes. Right, so you're going to pour that on. Oh no, I've done that a bit too. Right, can you pour it on?
Pour it. And this one.
Yeah, I don't know if I think I cooked it too long. Oh no! So this is Biscoff that we melted, but
I want to.
you want to... So we're going to put that on, but that was supposed to go everywhere. Do you want to have some, do you?
Yes.
Okay, go on then. You have it with a spoon. Yeah.
Okay.
And then... I can't believe I burnt that.
Oh, yeah.
Is it? And then I've got some of this yogurt, but I'm not going to put this on. I'm just going to put this on my half. Because I know that you won't want it. Will you? What else do you want it? Or do you just want that? Shall we put some sprinkles on? Do you want to do that? Go on then.
Holy cow, that's all.
Holy cow. Ready? Be careful with the sprinkles. Go. Oh, good. Oh, my... Who taught you to do that? That's very good. Right. Who's having the first bite?
Me! No, you, Mum.
Me? I'm having the first bite.
I hope you like it, Mum.
Oh, my goodness. Why am I not going to like it? I wanted ice cream, but we don't have any. What about you?
Okay.
Ready?
Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Is it hot?
Might be a little bit. No. Ready? Come over. What do you reckon? I'm going to have this big bit.
Cow, that's big.
Holy cow. Holy cow, that's big. Did you hear him? Right.
Mum, can I have a drink?
Yeah. You want one? Do you want one more bit?
Well, are we eating it?
Are you going to eat this or not?
Yep.
Be honest.
Yes.
Are you actually?
Yes.
I know what you're like. Right. Come on then. I'll have this bit and then I'll let you have the rest. Yeah? I'll let you eat the sauce.
Mum, sorry.
What?
I accidentally poured them out.
That's okay. Right.
I'll just sprinkle it on there.
This bit is Tommy's. Are you going to eat all of that, Tommy?
You eat all of that, but you're going.
Oh.
Hey!
What, you don't like the... Right, okay. Tommy, is this your bit?
Oh, I think it's
Is this your bit?
Yeah, I'll put it
Okay, say bye.
Bye.